Once upon a time, made in China was not something to be proud of. But with the thought of freeform and opening up to break the shackles, the voice of encourage innovation, develop manufacturing resounded throughout China. The brand new environment brings not only opportunities, but also experience and test. Those ambitious experts are finally speaking up for Made in China. China's 5G technology has shocked the world. At the core of China's new infrastructure construction, 5G has become a key fulcrum for starting a new round of technological revolution. With its epic-making technological capabilities, broad application prospects, and driving effect on other technologies. The integration of 5G and the industrial internet will promote the transformation of the manufacturing industry from partial informatization to digitalization, and open up a broader market for 5G. Therefore, it also strongly supports the construction of manufacturing and cyberpower. Made in China. Those three words show the rapid development of China's science and technology, and people's pursuit of high quality. Nowadays, China's products are all over the world, and China's economic development is unstoppable. So how can we not proudly applaud for Made in China?